guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for CVS Haul. The deals I have in this video wasn't done the same day. I did it over a period of time, but I decided to put everything together. That way, if anyone still needs idea on how to use their 10 of 30 CRT, maybe you will find one here. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I'm going to do is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena facial care. And I'm going to pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, priced at $25.79. And we have a $5 digital coupon. I plan on adding this deal with the 10 of 30 CRT. Let me explain this deal by itself before I will show you how the 10 of CRT will work with this deal. Using the $5 digital coupon, I will pay $20.79, get 10 back, making it just $10.79. The next deal I'm going to add is the buy 2 get 3 back on soft soap, liquid hand soap, and the 3-pack Iris Spring bar soap. They are on sale for $2.99. Picking up 2 will total $5.98. After the $3 extra care box bag, these two will end up costing just $2.98 or $1.49 each. I'm going to combine these two deals together and the total will be $31.77. I'm going to use the $5 coupon for Neutrogena from CVS app. I have 2 CRTs for the Iris Spring. I got one last week and I got another one this week. And also the 10 of 30 CRT. The coupon and the CRTs will take off $18 and I'll pay $13.77. Get 10 back for the Neutrogena and 3 back for the Iris Spring. That will end up making these 3 just 77 cents or 26 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. All my coupons and CRTs are applied except for one of the Iris Spring CRT. Instead of taking off $1.99, it took off $1.88, which is still okay. I used $12 in extra care box, paid $1.89 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the Neutrogena deal and $3 back for the Iris Spring deal. That ended up making all 3 just 89 cents or 30 cents each. The next item I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the CVS brand mouthwash. It's on sale for $3.24 and I have two $2 off CVS CRT. One of them adjusted down to $1.24, making it free. The next deal I'm going to pick up is spend 25 get 10 back on Aveeno facial care. I'm doing this on a different card, so I'm able to use another 10 of 30 CRT. I'm going to pick up 2 Aveeno face lotion, priced at $14.79. The 2 will total $29.58, and that's within the 98% rule to use the 10 of 30 CRT. We have a $5 off Aveeno digital coupon, and I printed out another $5 coupon from coupon.com. And I also used the 10 of 30 CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $20, and I'll pay $9.58. Get 10 back, and that will make them free and 42 cents money maker. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. My 2 digital coupons came off. The paper coupon was scanned, but it won't show up on the screen, so I don't know if that means it didn't scan. What she did was give me $5 extra care box. That's the $5 CVS coupon on the receipt. The $6.97 is a refund, and the $2.61 extra care box was supposed to be $3, but it adjusted down to $2.61. I only paid tax out of pocket for this transaction and I got $10 back. I'm using a different card for this transaction. That way I can use the 10 of 30 CRT. And the first deal I'll add to this transaction will be on the Lubriderm lotion. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $5 back. I'll pick up 2, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $6.50. The 2 will total $19.49. I'm going to explain how this deal will work by itself before adding it to the 10 of 30. We have a $3 digital coupon, and I printed another $3 coupon from coupon.com. The 2 coupons will take off $6, and I'll pay $13.49, get 5 back, making them $8.49 or $4.25 each. The next deal I'll add to this transaction is spend 12 get 7 back on Neutrogena cosmetics. An easy way to do this deal is to pick up 1 lip gloss priced at $11.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. By itself, use the $3 digital coupon and you pay $8.99, get 7 back, making it just $1.99. Using the 10 off 30 CRT, these 3 items will total $31.48. I will use the $3 digital coupon for the Neutrogena cosmetics and 2 $3 Lubriderm coupon, one from CVS app and one from coupon.com. I also have $1 off any cosmetic CRT. The 3 coupons and the 2 CRTs will take off $20 and I'll pay $11.48, get 7 back for the Neutrogena and $5 back for the lotion. That will end up making them free and 52 cents moneymaker. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. The same thing that happened with the Aveeno deal also happened with this transaction. The $3 paper coupon did not go through and the cashier gave me a $3 extra care box to cover the $3 coupon. If you have this type of issue and they are trying to help you, it's better for them to give you extra care box than adjust the price. Remember, I'm using a 10 off 30 CRT, and if they adjust the price, that CRT will not work. I used $10 extra care box, paid $1.47 out of pocket, and I got back $7 for the Neutrogena deal and $5 back for the lotion deal. The next deal I'm going to pick up will be on the Garnier facial care. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $6 back. I'm going to pick up 2 Garnier micellar foaming gel cleanser priced at $9.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $5. These 2 will total $14.99. I have 2 $3 digital coupon. We got one last week and we got another one this week. After the 2 coupons come off, I'll pay $8.99 and get 6 back. I will submit my receipt to Ibotta because it's giving back $3, limit of 1, and that will make both items free. But I'm not going to do this deal like this. I'm going to add the 10 off 30 CRT to make it even better. The next deal I'm going to add to this transaction will be on the Neutrogena makeup. They are on the deal of spend 12, get 7 back. I'll pick up 1 lip gloss priced at $11.99, which is within the 98% rule for spend 12. And I'll use a $3 digital coupon. And on this account, I have 2 $1 off Neutrogena makeup CRT. That means the coupon and the CRT will take off $5, and I'll end up paying just $6.99 and get 7 back, making it free. I'm still not at $30 to use my 10 off 30 CRT. I'm going to pick up 2 CVS brand large cotton balls priced at $3.19, and it's on sale for buy one get one free. So I'm picking up 2. And these 2 items are not giving back any extra care box. These are all the items for this transaction, and it totaled $30.17. I will use the 10 off 30 CRT, 2 $3 off Garnier facial care digital coupon, 2 $3 off Neutrogena digital coupon, and 2 $1 off Neutrogena CRT. The 3 coupons and the 3 CRTs will take off $21, and I'll pay $9.17 and get 6 back for the Garnier facial care, 7 back for the Neutrogena makeup. Now submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the Garnier facial care. That will end up making all this free and $6.83 moneymaker. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. All the coupons I mentioned and the CRT, all of them are applied. I used $10 extra care box and it adjusted down to $9.16. I only paid tax and I got back $6 for the Garnier facial care and $7 for the Neutrogena makeup. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $3 for one of the Garnier facial care. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.